Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Welcome back. I found this orange sauce from Panda Express the other day at a big box store, and I decided to give it a try. When using my basic chicken stir-fry template, this will help me to create an orange chicken dish simply and quickly with my own modifications. Oh, of course, you might say why not just go to have orange chicken at Panda Express rather than cooking your own. For me, the reason is that it is more fun for me to cook my own. Besides, it takes only a few minutes if you have adopted my fast cooking system. In this stir-fry chicken template, I give the chicken a light coating of cornstarch, and I first shallow fry them in my 14-inch Cuisinart stainless steel wok before stir-frying the rest. Well, the nice thing about my fast cooking system is that I can have chicken anytime I want due to my advanced prepping. I can thaw chicken that I have prepped in advance from freezer to the wok in 10 minutes. With the shallow frying technique, I first lay out the chicken in a thin layer to shallow fry them on one side to give them a light crispy texture, which is more flavorful than deep frying, at least to me. I then turn the chicken pieces over to be fried on the other side. By thinly slicing the chicken, they cook rapidly. At Panda Express, the chicken are first deep fried, which is more labor intensive for use at home. Now, this approach turned out to be a good alternative to deep frying. This approach definitely faster because you don't have to set up a deep fryer. Instead, you could do everything in a wok in a continuing process. Next, I'm going to season the chicken with my basic seasoning mix, which prepared from the seasoning agents in my masala daba. The seasoning agents coat and blacken the chicken to create more intense flavor in the chicken. This also gives the chicken a nice grill-like appearance. Well, the next part is very simple. I just pour the Panda Express orange sauce over the chicken, enough to cover and mix the chicken with a little bit extra. Depending how much you like the sauce, you can add more or less according to your preference. I then found some fresh pineapples in my advanced prepping. I love pineapples, but this is entirely optional. I next also came up with some colored bell peppers that are already prepped and ready to go. As you can see here, all the ingredients that I have just added require no cooking at all, and you just mix them in. Last but not the least, I garnished the dish with some scallions to provide both a flavor, texture, but also color to the dish. The advantage of cooking this dish at home is to be able to modify the dish by adding your favorite ingredients. For example, for my friend Dan, who loves cashews, and he would definitely include them in this dish. For my friend Janet, who loves sesame, and I know she would definitely include sesame as a topping for the dish. This dish is super fast to cook. The total cook time is less than 5 minutes. It is faster to cook it yourself than if you stop at a Panda Express, particularly you have to wait in line. So what is the verdict? The flavor of the Panda Express orange sauce is almost an exact replica of those you get at Panda Express. I definitely like the shallow fried chicken than the deep fried version that you get at Panda Express. However, that's just my personal preference. The part of the dish that I like most is the addition of the fresh pineapple. It is juicy and sweet, perfectly match the flavor of the Panda Express orange sauce. I also like the bell pepper in it, but not as much as the pineapple. If anything that I would change in this dish is to add some cashews, as my friend Dan suggested. I like the flavor of this Panda Express orange sauce, and I could see it being used in other dishes. For example, I have created a pork tenderloin dish using this orange sauce. After tasting this Panda Express orange sauce, I know that I could recreate this sauce with my flavor chasing approach. However, for the sake of convenience, I probably have a bottle of this sauce in my pantry when I need something quick in short notice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.